how to increase your difficulty when using Microsoft Excel. So what we're going to be doing is basically taking the purpose of Excel, which is to make life easy for data management, and making it even harder. So first off, whenever I record my videos, I like to zoom in really close so you can see what's going on, and then also, have the grid lines and all that other good stuff showing, okay? But we're going to make it really difficult. So we're going to remove headings from selecting the show option under the View tab. And then we're going to remove the grid lines. Remove the formula bar as well. So now all we see is just blank. And then for our final step, we're going to zoom all the way out. And now we can see just how hard this thing is. So if I type a function here, we have no idea what I just typed. So that's how you make the difficulty extreme in Microsoft Excel.